Okay, Excalibur Matrix 380. I'm shooting from a prone position here with the bipod, 70 yards away. Got a Taliban zombie taking cover behind a door down here. Had him on the other side. Put him on this side so I could pin him to the door. Right there from 70 yards away. Alright, we nailed him. From 70 yards. We'll walk down here. And see what we did to him. I was using 20-inch carbon bolt with 125 grain field tip. That is Excalibur Matrix 380. It's a 260-pound pull and 380 feet per second, probably about 360 I reckon, with 20-inch bolts instead of the 18, and shot from a prone position with the bipod. Have my close-up phone recording, or my cell phone recording close up. Okay. There he is. Pinned his butt to the door. It went right through him. Right through him. And there's both bolts that I've shot. Went through him, through the door, and into my bag. And right up to the fletchings on both shots. So, try to zoom in here best I can so you can see. You might be able to see the yellow fletchings right there. I went all the way through him and up to the fletchings and the steel door. And that's with both shots. Okay, Excalibur Matrix 380. 70 yards, prone position with a bipod, through the Taliban zombie, and pinned his butt to the door. Excalibur Matrix 380 out.